Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Good to see you again on my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So this is our second session. If you go through my first session, as you know, as discussed in the previous video, we completed the our course introduction, right? So in this session, we will review the key topics that we will be exploring in upcoming sessions, and we will understand what you can expect to the learn through the whole course going forward. Okay, so let's get start. So in PPT you can see, okay, so before we dive further, let me show you exactly what this course cover from start to finish. So this content is organized into four major area. As you can see here, I have created four major boxes and section you can see in the PPT. So let's walk through each of these boxes. So you have to be clear understanding of what is lies ahead in these boxes. Okay. So this first area we will cover the station and standards, as you can in the here in first quadrant. So this section is designed to build a strong foundation. Sorry. So uh, so in this AV charging architecture, this first section will help you to build a strong foundation in EV charging infrastructure. So throughout the course, you will learn about the different type of the charging sections, including level 1, level 2 and the DC fast charging, right. So level 1 and level 2 is basically single phase and 3-phase charging system. I will talk in our upcoming session in detail about this. Okay, so don't worry. So understand the scenarios in which each option is most appropriate way. So going ahead, you will also become familiar with the industry standard, connector type, charging interface, and the key terminology used by the professionals in the electrical ecosystem. Okay. So by mastering this vocabulary, you will be able to discuss EV charging technologies and with confidence and technical accuracy. Okay. So most importantly, this course is not based on the opinions or the assumptions. It's all this course is based on the real facts. So keep it in mind. We are not uh, what we can say, we not going to be talking here. Okay, so all is, it is totally based on the uh, real fact. Okay, so every concept we discuss will be grounded in the industrial standard that defined and governed by the EV charging system uh, worldwide. So we will cover major standard and protocols. Protocols such you can see in first area, you can see here in first quadrant, you can see these are the protocols, some protocols that are we are using worldwide, like SAE J1772 standard, IEC 61851 standard, ICE 62196 standard, CHAdeMO that is basically used in Japan region. SAE basically it's followed by United States and the Germany. Then we have a ISO 15118 and GVT. So all we will cover in detail in upcoming session, all these protocols. I will tell you a specific reason where we have what protocol is currently follow. So we will talk it in detail in our upcoming videos. So by end of this session, you will have a solid understanding of this standard and know exactly which specification or the reference document to consult whenever you need more details information on the specific topic related to the EV charging system. All right. Then moving forward, in second section you can see here. So in this second area of this course is hands-on, that will you will know, like you can do the project by yourself. Okay. So DIY actually is represent like do it yourself. So this is where the course truly come to the life. So rather than simply discussion EV charging concepts, you will gain practical experience by building the real world projects yourself. Okay. So in this section, you will design and build a Arduino-based AC charger, creating a custom charging station control from the scratch using the Arduino board. Okay, so this is the main part of our course. So keep it in mind. We will learn all these things in our upcoming sessions. So this project will help you understand the fundamental operation of AC charging system and the role of the charging controller basically. So going further, you will also build an EV simulator, right? So a hardware platform capable of emulating the behavior of the real electrical vehicle. So you not need a real vehicle to demonstrate your project and build your project. So this is the beauty of this course, right? So this simulator allow you to test and validate the charging station without the requiring a actual vehicle or real vehicle. It's not needed. So making it an invaluable tool for the learning and the development, right. In addition, you will create a variety of the test and diagnostics tools that can be used to measure and monitor and analyze the charging session in very detail. So through the project, you will gain hands-on exposure to charging the communication, control logics and the system behavior. Okay. Going further, by the end of this section, you will not only understand the EV charging concept in theory, but you will also have a practical experience developing the testing charging hardware, right. Keep it in mind. This is the very important topics that we going to be learn in practice. So most importantly, you will have working prototypes and tool that you build yourself, providing you with the both technical knowledge and real world engineering skills, right. Okay. Now you can see the third section, the diagnosis and faults. So this third area is will tell you diagnostic and the fault, how to troubleshoot the real world problems when you establish the charging, right. So this is the where we turn you into the real troubleshooter. You will learn how the device and the charger interact to each other, both physically through the cable and the digitally through their signals via communication. You will learn how to troubleshoot and debug a charging sessions when it fails, when it get interrupted or when it simply stall out. So in this scenario, how you have to be react, how you troubleshoot those issues, you will learn in entire of this course. You will learn in further sessions. And you will learn to diagnose specific problems like fault on the pilot line signals or issue with the contactor state. So when something goes wrong and unusual behavior, you will able to know exactly where to look first. Okay. Now our this is the last section you can see, and the fourth area is power and range math. Actually this is the totally mathematic calculation. So this is the number slide of the things, and you don't worry, actually we will keep it in simple and practical, so no need to worry about it. Believe me, I will make it easy for you as much as possible, so don't worry about that, trust me. Okay. So you will grab the basic physics behind the energy measurement in kilowatt hours, power, how to calculate the power, measure in kilowatts and time, and exactly how these three parameters are connected together. So you will learn to calculate the exact charging duration. Okay. Whether you are on slow AC connection or a fast DC charger, and you learn to compute the real world driving range based on the battery size and the how efficiently the vehicle use the energy. Okay. So that's the whole course in 4 part. Okay. So station and standard give you the foundation, hands-on do it yourself projects give you a real working hardware. Okay. Diagnostic and the fault turn in you into the troubleshooter, and the power and range math give you the calculation, so you can back up everything with the real numbers. You can play that. Okay. Okay. Now going further, notice how these 4 pieces work together. You will learn that you will learn the standard first, so you understand why things are built the way they are. You will build real hardware, so you can see it working with your own hands. You will learn to diagnose problems. Also, you are ready to the real world and you will master the math, believe me. So every claim you make it backed by your real calculation, not just assumption or guess. So that's the complete picture. 4 areas working together to take you from zero to hero, as the tagline of this course, all the way to a real practical understanding of EV charging. Okay. So let's get started with the AC and DC in next video. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon so you keep receiving the notification for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my channel. I catch you in the next video, guys. Take care and bye bye.